Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today we're talking about if-else statement in Python. In Python we use logical conditions also. Equals, not equals, less than or equal to, greater than or equal to. A equal to 33, B equal to 200. If B greater than A, print B is greater than A. It will be print B is greater than A. We have elif keyword. We use elif keyword if the previous condition were not true. Like this, a equal to 33, b equal to 33. If b greater than a, then print b is greater than a. Elif a equal to b. So it will be print a and b are equal. We use else keyword. The else keyword catches anything which is not caught previous conditions. A equal to 200, b equal to 33. If b greater than a, print b is greater than a. Elif a equal to b, print a and b are equal. Else it will be print else condition because a is greater than b. Thank you so much.